Hey, welcome back to my channel. Look what I got in PR. I'm on the list this year. It is the Nomad Cosmetics New Zealand Stargazing palette. I have almost every single palette in the last 2 years, except for like a couple, but I'm so excited. Ready? By now you've seen the pictures, but my mirror was broken, but look at this gorgeousness. Let's do a look. Okay. And then I got some other stuff too, which I'll show you guys. I'm going to a doctor's appointment, so not going to get too crazy, but maybe get a little crazy for a doctor's appointment. I don't know. I'm going to use these brushes from Game Beauty that I got in my paid for Up For Ipsy box. And then some other brushes because I need to wash my brushes. And these are the cleanest ones I got. So anyway, very grateful that I got this palette. These are pretty brushes. The palette's just... Okay, all I did was swatches, which I was trying to get pictures, but I don't know how they did. So I'm going to show you guys swatches now. I'm gonna do, my friend said to do like a sunset, but we'll see what we get into. Purples sometimes are hard to do, but they all swatched amazing. Okay, I'm gonna do a neutralish look today. This is like so perfect for me for work, seriously. I think I want to do Cosmos, which is like a gray. The imprints are so pretty. Okay, oops, I didn't use up my eyeshadow primer. Oh my god. Now let's get into this. Okay, so I already got, okay, so Cosmos. I'm breaking out, of course. Stress probably. When does that end? I'm 31 years old. Oh! Did I already have color on my brush or something? Because maybe I did. Okay, if I did, that was from, no, I didn't. Or that was from the, hold on. I was playing with this a little bit yesterday. No, I was playing with this a little bit this morning. Look at that. Like, I love the Ghost Town palette. I had issues with the shimmers, but these ones don't feel like that at all. Just blending effortlessly. Nomad has made me like cool tones. I'm gonna, yeah, my brushes are really dirty. We're gonna blend that with smaller brush. It's from Actius Luna. It's from Actius Luna. I got also sent PR, and then I'm gonna blend out with Tonga Riro Night Hike, which looks again like a really cool tone, but there's also warm tones in here. Like, this is my perfect neutral palette with a couple pops. Only thing is I wish there was a green, but there is a shade that shifts green. Oh my god, this brown is so pretty. I know it's just a brown, but it's not just a brown. Above that shade is a Milky Way. I promise to be more professional in my next video. I need a little bit of a bigger brush. This is from MoTD. Makeup of the day. I don't have any shades like this. Well, to see, I'm going to have to do comparisons of the Multichromes, but I wanted to get this up because I just got this yesterday, and they're doing the reveal today, and then it goes on sale on the 16th. And I do have a code. Put it up on the screen now. I'm so excited. If you do use my code, no pressure, but that would be greatly appreciated. Check out my Instagram and my TikTok. I'm going to be doing daily looks of this palette for the next week or more. Yeah. Let's get into the Multichromes. And I will be doing like a liner. I'm just going to a doctor's appointment, so I'm just kind of rushing. I've never been to this doctor before. I'm going to use my... Only thing with this Ben 91, I just got the Fiorne epoxy. Well, I just ordered the Fiorne epoxy. Is the lid keeps getting stuck. Like, and I like the Carla Cosmetics one, but that's not my favorite. This one is, I cannot open this. The Carla Cosmetics one, you have to be really particular with. It's like a jelly, like a putty. Yeah, like a jelly. But it's kind of finicky, where it needs to be dry, or else it will crease. I will be doing a more in-depth review of this palette, but this is just like my first impression. And then I'm going to do the other side. Let's get into these Multichromes. I'm so excited. Oh, it looks so good. Like, how do I even, like, Okay. I've been dreaming about this blue. I've been thinking about this blue. I think this is one of the shades that they sneak peeked. Milky Way. It feels so good. Like, ooh. Ready for the magic? They feel so smooth. They're not like putty. They're not like gooey, or not like the squishy kind. And then I'm using a piece of paper. Let's see. I'm gonna use Carina Nebula, which is a little, doesn't feel squishy, but what? Like for neutrals? And these are sparkly, but they're not chunky. And then lastly, but not last, I want to put a little bit of Jewel Box. Oh. Again, ignore the miss. Yes, my phone is right up there, okay? All right, let me do some blending. I'm gonna blend out and I'll be right back. All right, if Felicia's watching this, she knows the blush I use. I use the All Around the World blush that I got from my mother-in-law that I'm obsessed with, that I hit pan on. Like, it looks kind of like a Benefit one, but it's not. But I hit pan on it. I love it. And it can like double as a, well, it's not sold anymore, but I love it. Okay, it's gonna, oh, and as liner, I use the shade Tipeco Stargazing. As a wing. Just, this is so not like my kind of, well, I don't usually do looks like this, but I really like it. And then my lower lash line, I'm gonna use Auckland Stardome, which is the pink. Has a little planet. My parents have been to New Zealand, and I have, my stepfather's brother lives there with his family. I've never been there. It's on my bucket list. Australia and New Zealand, which I know are not the same, are both on my bucket list. But my parents loved it when they went. They went for 2 weeks. I think I was in college. I love that Nomad, the travel brand. It's something different. The packaging is always awesome. It's always like so just in tune with the... I want to blend out a little bit with Southern Lights. Which I love Space. I don't know a lot about it, but it is beautiful. All right, inner corner. There's so many choices. I'm going to use like, what? Look at that shade. Just, let me see if I can try to show you guys the shift. The mirror is broken, but I don't know if you guys can see it. Mirror? Maybe? I can see it. I didn't know what this was going to look like, but I'm like just in awe. So far, maybe the best palette. I don't know. I like a lot of them. Like right now on my desk, I literally have my Nomad Hudson Valley palette, which I just hit pan the second shade. I hit pan on these two. I love this so much. Final look. Final look. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I'm not getting paid for this review, but I'm like, be prepared to see more looks from me. Let me know what you guys want to see me compare it to. I don't have a ginormous collection, but I compare it to the other 8 Nomad palettes that I have. So, and other singles that I have. And yeah, I'm just really, really, really excited. If you had asked me a few years ago if I was going to be all excited about a cool tone-ish palette, I'd be like, but I'm so excited. Like, I just can't get over this. Like, I don't know which shade's my favorite, but I can't wait to use the other shades. So this is, like I said, my first impression. I haven't used all the shades. I have swatched all of them. So if you have any questions, you want to know how they feel, you want to know whatever, let me know. Thanks so much for sending this to me, Nomad. And thank you so much for watching this. If you made it to the end, put a star, whatever color star is your favorite color, in my comments. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.